So over here on the top, you can see that I got the toolbar right here. So if I were to go around over here, I can utilize the toolbar to switch between different interfaces, like the film strip interface right here. So it's just loading out, as you can see right here, for a while. And then if I were to go around onto the output, then it loads out the output interface and so forth right here. And apart from that, you also have access to these various tools right here. So having the tools is handy, but sometimes it can be distracting. So if you want to go ahead and disable it, you can go around onto Windows and disable out the tools right here as well. You can also go around over here onto, let's say for example, you can now only see the path bar right here. You can disable out as well. And you can see that the tool and path bar is now just cleared up. But I can go ahead and bring out the tools menu again if I want to as well. And that is how you can go ahead and enable and disable out the tools bar right here. So in the tools, you got the rotate option, as you can see, for the images right here. You got the open in camera option, refine option right here. You got the return to Adobe Photoshop option as well, reveal, and then go back and forward right here. And you can also access different sections from over here. You also have access to the workspaces easily from the tools section as well. And that is how you can work ahead with the tools option and enable and disable it inside of the workspace of Adobe Bridge. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.